Hello everyone, welcome back to Practice with Pooja YouTube channel. I hope you are doing so great and learning English in a good way. So in today's video, I will share my thoughts that if you are learner and you are starting the English speaking, so what should we do that we can learn English language without any hesitation. So if you are a learner and you are starting the English speaking and also you are thinking to start the English speaking, so you will have to do 3 and 4 exercise every single day that you can learn English language. You can speak little bit within a 1 month. So don't waste time. Let's get into the video. If you are starting the English speaking and also you are thinking that I have to start the English speaking, but what happened when we are thinking, so fear have come in our mind that how can we start the English speaking. When you think I will start the English speaking this day, I will start the English speaking next day, but you cannot start. You want to start the English speaking and you want to think to start the English speaking, you will have to follow 3 and 4 exercise which I tell you, and I think that it will help you to improve as well as it will help you to start the English speaking. So my first exercise is that think the single word. Yes, if you are a learner and you are thinking to learn English language, so first of all, you will have to think a single word. It means that what are you looking in front of you, outside of you and around of you. So just you have to speak the word. I want to give the example like you are looking the wall, so you can say this is a wall. And this is a chair. This is tree. So what are you looking? You will have to think at least 10 to 15 words every single day. Means you have to give just a 5 to 10 minutes in first day. You will take time 5 to 10 minutes for thinking the words. But after thinks the word, you will have to do second exercise every single day. I am not saying that you will have to do one exercise in a one day. No, you will have to do 3 exercise every single day. Means you will have to give 20 to 25 minutes for start the English speaking. So if you will think the word, what are you looking around of you, then you will have 10 to 15 single words every day. If you are thinking 10 words, you are speaking 10 words, so multiply by 7 means you are learning 70 words within a 1 week. It's a first exercise. After do first exercise 5 to 6 minutes, then do the second exercise. Means think the action word. Do you know the meaning of action word? It means that what are you doing? Means they are eating, standing, dancing, writing, reading, speaking, laughing. This is the action word. It means when your body will move, that is called a action. So this word you will have to think every single day. Then if complete the 2 exercise, then move on the third exercise. Means after complete the 2 exercise, you will have to speak on yourself. Yes, third exercise is that you will have to speak on yourself. Yes, don't think that there is no any partner that I can communicate. No, you will have to speak on yourself. So if you will start the English speaking on yourself, you can see improvement after 15 days that you can speak English little bit. I am not saying that you will speak English fluently, comfortably. No. but at least you don't know English language, so after the 15 and 20 days you can speak little bit English. So this is my 3 exercise that you will have to apply. If you will apply on yourself, then after the 20 days you can see improvement on yourself. So I want to say the people that who want to learn English language and who is thinking that I have to speak English language anyhow. You have a passion about the learning English language. So anyhow you can do every exercise every single day. Don't miss any single day. If you missed single day the exercise, then next day you cannot be regular. I think that. So please, if you want to start the English speaking and you are thinking to speak the English language, to start the English speaking, so please do these 3 exercises every single day. It will help you to learn English language. So how is this video? Please tell me in comments box, and see you soon again in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.